Hi, today we are going to unbox a brand new Anki Cozmo set that arrived in the mail. Let's first take a 360-degree view of this box. There is the mighty Cosmo, seen winking on the flap. A few details. This box contains a robot, a few cubes, three of them, and a charging set. It is compatible with both the Apple iOS and Android. So now the exciting part, we will take Cosmo out of its box. First, take out the plastic wrapper that is protecting it from the front. And once we take out this other sticker, the box will all open. And 3, 2, 1, there we go. And there is Cosmo. Let's take it out. And oops, something fell off. It's the handle on the arm which is used to lift the cubes. We'll figure out a way to put it back, but those are the cute little arms. And you can see that the robot is tiny but sturdy. Apparently it has 300 different gears to make all different kind of motions. Let's see what else is in the box. Take the bottom flap out. A booklet telling you what to do. There's a Cosmo sticker for your laptop, some instructions, some coupons for more discounts, details about the warranty. And here are three little cubes for Cosmo to play with. You can see that these three cubes have different symbols on them. Otherwise, they pretty much look alike. Hopefully Cosmo has a good time playing with these cubes. We take out the protectors out of these cubes. We'll do that a little later. Those were there to make sure that the battery doesn't drain. And now here's the charger set. You I suppose we have to place Cosmo on it in order to charge. Comes with a USB cable, but no plug adapter. I guess that's a good move because there are abundant plug adapters for USBs cables now at home. If you don't have one, you could buy something cheap off the market. Let's put Cosmo on this and see how he fits. And there you are. Let's move the camera to show all the different components. Bring my battery pack in order to charge the Cosmo. Put the USB cable in, turn it on, and there you are, Cosmo is charging.